At the moment you can see who's the top. At the moment you can see Connor. And if we go down here, we can see that. So are you both doing it together or separate?
Separate.
I'll try and do it separate and then, because it won't fit it all in. Do it separate, so when you go off that one, or someone,
I'll just split them apart.
right, just split them apart, so here's the bottom Rachel, so I'm looking at Rachel's now.
But also the thing is, I'm just really thingy. Why don't you make TNT shockwave? Where it's just
Go on, suggestions what you want us to make.
No, because you can't fit things.
Put in the suggestions what you want us to make. We'll make it.
Right, so this is going to be a very silly explosion, but we're going to try and make a shockwave like some people do, and we'll add my stampede and my favourite kind is squid. Definitely. Yeah, like that. Yeah, it doesn't show videos, but I think it's awesome. I wrote about it at school, which is just awesome, mostly. And people laugh at me in the class because of the survival geek, and I thought I watched the videos and stampede, but it makes a big difference because they always laugh, and it's very, I don't think it's laughing. I think it's very awesome. Like something.
We're nearly ready for the explosion.
You big one.
Right, so someone do it first, who's the top? Me. Right, Connie, you can do yours first, right? So
I'm going to be using redstone, so then I'm not near when we're doing it.
yeah.
And I'm going to stand on it when
No, but you need to see the explosion.
Now look, watch the explosion from above.
it's going to explode mine. You've exploded mine,
I know.
Alright, okay.
Thank you for watching, and please
You're gonna, Rachel, you make a new one.
Okay. It's meant to be only 20 minutes, like Stampede and Squeak, but...
It hasn't been on for 20 minutes, it's only been on for 2 minutes 25.
No, Stampede is 20 minutes. What's
I
wrong?
don't know, but Stampedes are too long, I think.
Sure. After this, we will hope you watch our next video. We will get some more mods and some more characters. We have got some skin packs, and we will be making different things. Hopefully, yeah. Me and Connor are passing along the village up, and all the villagers have lost their souls and all their
And now they're dead.
guts. And that is what we are going to do. So hopefully when I blow this up, this will work. Right. I'll just put some redstone torches there.
Right, it is blowing up, are you ready for the explosion? Whoa. It would have went deeper if you're on, not single flat wood, but like...
What deeper, yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Like all of us.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Leave a like, subscribe.
Next video.